Yeah, so another day, another car event. Today I'm meeting up with my rally team again, and from there we're gonna go to a car show. So for now, we're just gonna gather up and roll out together. What's good, bro?
Just go all the way upstairs.
All right. All right, so we arrived at our first meetup location. Yeah, the fucking boys are here. The fucking boys are here, baby. We're all rolling heavy right now. M5, E63, Porsche Turbo, Lambo Huracan, and then a AMG GTS, Team S63. Yeah, Rafi. What's up?
Yeah, I think.
You made that. You made that.
Wait, I don't need.
You're making it. You're making it.
You good? Yeah, you good. You good, bro. Car limbo.
Team NTC takes on random parking lot. We have a Lambo you've never seen on the channel before. This thing's beautiful. Love this color. The black Huracan from the last video, this is his M5 competition, so we have quite the lineup today. We're rolling heavy. I'm pretty sure we're having a meeting over here. What's up? It's 5?
Yeah, and then you can just follow him after you fill in.
Alright, so we're putting you guys up right now. We're just going to get something to eat because none of us ate yet this morning. Also, partly because we wanted to come to the show and shut it down, like with all the cars, but we came a little early, so there's not too many people here. So we're just gonna leave, go get something to eat, and then So we're rolling out to a different location to eat because the Cheesecake Factory here, it was a little too packed. Didn't really want to wait. With the orange R8 up there, he owns a kebab restaurant out east a little more here in Long Island. So we're gonna head out there right now. And don't worry, we're gonna do the speed limit.